Another idea flew into Thomas's funnel.
Hello, Whiff. I'm going to surprise Gordon to make him laugh. Don't tell him where I am.
What fun! I won't say anything.
Thomas waited. His fender fizzed with excitement.
I'm sure to make Gordon laugh.
As Gordon steamed past, Thomas puffed quickly out. Gordon didn't laugh, but Whiff was surprised. Whiff's cars bashed and crashed. Garbage.
Civil authorities have issued a guy with the green helmet, green shell, and a hammer in his hand, and with green shoes. This guy is totally offensive, and he smacked 200 people with a hammer, and he's a very bad guy, and there's an army of the packs of those guys. Please stay in your home, lock all doors, stay in your house forever until the military is over. Do not look out any windows, and do not look at any mirrors. And do not look out of any windows. Repeat, do not look out of any windows. If you do, those characters will break into your window and then hit you with your hammer. And you will get hit and get attacked. Please stay in your house and do not open any doors. Secure all of your doors and make sure they're locked. Switch off all of your lights. Do not open any windows and do not look at any mirrors. If you do, they'll break into your house. Goodbye. All internet and TVs will resume running. This is an important message. Repeat, this is an important message.
What's Macca doing? What lovely stone.
Civil authorities have issued a green guy with a hammer, with a green helmet and a green shell. And that guy was actually issued as Hammer Bro. And Hammer Bro has an army of 3 packs. So please stay in your house and lock all of your doors. Do not go outside, but stay in your house and do not look out of any windows. This is an important message. Repeat, this is an important message.
Hey, honey, do you think you could make dinner tonight?
Actually, I got my hands full. You can't?
Not, I'm a little tied up right now myself.
How about we run out for something?
I know where. Let's race! Dash!
A Happy Meal can help an incredibly busy family come together for an incredibly delicious meal with the goodness of milk, apples, and a super fun, incredible story.
Civil authorities have issued a Hammer Bro alert. This is an important message. Repeat, this is an important message. Hammer Bro has a bigger pack. He has 7 because he now has 5 clones of himself and 2 spiked Goombas. So please stay in your house and hide somewhere that's impossible for them to find you. This is a very important message task. And here's what the Hammer Bro looks like. Here are his clones. And these are his spiked Goombas.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Goodbye.